Hi everyone, this is the 111th video of the ACT Math Practice Problem series, and here we have a nice problem from the concept of ratio and proportion. As I always recommend, before seeing the solution you can pause the video and give it a try yourself, and after that of course you want to match with my solution. So let's get started. Here the question says, if 2 times a plus 3 times b is to 2 times a minus 3 times b is equal to 5 is to 2, then a is to b is equal to which of the following 5 ratios? So here we have been provided that 2 times a plus 3 times b divided by 2 times a minus 3 times b, this is equal to 5 divided by 2. That's how we write the ratios. And to solve this kind of problem, we can use the componendo and dividendo property of proportion. So using the componendo and dividendo property, we can say that 2 times a plus 3 times b plus 2 times a minus 3 times b divided by 2 times a plus 3 times b minus 2 times a minus 3 times b, that will be equal to 5 plus 2 divided by 5 minus 2. And from here what we get? Well, if we remove the parenthesis, we will have 2 times a plus 3 times b plus 2 times a minus 3 times b divided by 2 times a plus 3 times b minus 2 times a plus 3 times b, and that will be equal to 7 divided by 3. And if you look at the left hand side, we are going to see something interesting, that the b terms in the numerator, they are going to cancel each other, and similarly the a terms in the denominator, they also cancel each other. So now we are left with 4 times a divided by 6 times b is equal to 7 over 3, and from here we can say, well, then a divided by b, and that is the ratio of a and b, so a is to b will be equal to 7 over 3 and then multiplied by 6 over 4. So that would be 3 2s are 6 and then 2 2s are 4, so that would be 7 over 2. And that is our answer. So a is to b is equal to 7 is to 2. So from here we can say, well, a is to b is equal to 7 is to 2, and that is our answer. And if you look at our answer options, we have 7 is to 2 under option D. So option D would be the correct option. I hope everything made sense. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.